pups. Good babies. Good babies. Hi.
Start with Basil and add anything you can think of. Get this recipe and more on basil.ca. The Walmart price test. This tide is from Walmart. This one's from... Can this customer tell the difference in price?
Hey, Mom, do we put the tide or the clothes in first? Do we put the tide or the clothes in first? I'm in over my head.
Same tide, lower price. Guaranteed unbeatable.
Philips Sonicare is caring by design. Its advanced sonic technology pulses water between teeth to break up plaque and sweep it away. For a complete clean you can really feel. Philips Sonicare.
Has the whole world gone mad?
Oh, I'm a second.
There's only 5 episodes left.
How did it go?
Great.
You got the job?
I did not. Get into an all-new Big Bang tonight at 8, only on CTV. And cram for the season finale at ctv.ca.
Monday, turn your mess into money. Cassia Elastic gives you a look at how she declutters her own home and turns a profit in the process. Plus shortcuts for spring cleaning. Charles the Butler shows you how to get it all done with time left on the clock. That's Monday on Maryland.
All right, welcome back. Here to show us how to beef up our less expensive cuts of steak. Please welcome Chef Bianca Osborne. Today, we're talking about saving some money, but looking good. So what are we going to talk about today?
Today I'm going to show you how to transform your humble flank steak into a filet mignon.
Very nice.
So here's the thing about beefing up a look for less. I mean, a look for less, this is a look for less, but you could also achieve a look for less if you know where to spend and stretch your dollar week over week. And one of the ways we can do that is by using affordable meat like flank steak.
Yeah, because the meat is the most expensive on that bill, isn't it?
It's one of the most expensive line items for Canadians week over week, for sure.
So some things that we should know. You want to talk about some salts and some rubs and things.
Well, so first we're going to talk about marinades. So
Yeah.
marinating is one of the most common ways to break up the tough connected tissues and fibers in some of these affordable cuts. And so marinades are like lime juice, lemon juice, red or white wine vinegar. If you are one of those unicorn people that has wine left over at the end of the weekend, perfect for a marinade. I digress.